In this video, we're going to cover how to wire a door lock with the A094 access controller. In this example, when swiping a card, the electric lock is unlocked. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. For this example, we will be using the Akuvox A094 access controller, a door lock, and a 12-volt power supply. Please refer to the official wiring guide. We will be using an electric strike, which is a fail-safe. We will wire an electric strike to the NC terminal so that the lock will stay closed when the power is turned on. Please note that we will also connect a card reader to the A094 via the WGN-D port. This implies that we will need to add a user with an RFID card number and assign permission to trigger the corresponding relay. First, connect the lock's negative cable with adapter's negative connector. Notice that the A094 has several COM terminals as it supports the connection of multiple relays. Next, insert the adapter's positive cable into any of the COM ports. Then, insert the lock's positive cable into the NC terminal. Tug on the wires to ensure a secure connection. Before unlocking the lock, we need to configure a user on the device web interface. Enter the IP address of the A094. Then, enter the default username and password, which is admin. Here, select the Device tab. Then select the WGN tab. Scroll down to the WGN-D area. Here, enable the WGN-D relay. Then, under the Directory tab, select the User tab. In the top right corner, select the New button to add a new user. Enter the information along with the RFID card code. Then, select the desired relay. Select Submit when complete. Now, power on the devices. Swipe the card on the card reader. You will see the lock is now unlocked. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.